What's up YouTube, it's Bored Islander. Here we have a first look at a Starlight-12 teardown. Before you start opening your Starlight-12 along with this video, I have a disclaimer. When you unplug the battery from the PCB, it sends a signal disabling wireless mode from this mouse completely, but there is a way to fix it. Anyway, let's get into it. Finalmouse doesn't use traditional Phillips screws, they use 6-pointed screws, so you'll need a T6 bit in order to open this up. Once you actually get it open, the side buttons do fall out. They just kind of sit there in a ledge, and this is what the magnesium top shell looks like. The mouse 1 and 2 switches are Chinese 20M Omrons, and for mouse 4 and 5 they use Blue Dot Omron mini switches. The PCB is held in by 4 clips, and as well as 2 hot glue gun dots at the bottom and top of the PCB. Pretty typical, the battery is stuck to the housing using double-sided tape. Now I haven't opened up a lot of mice, but of the mice that I have opened, this PCB probably has the most subcomponents I've ever seen. What really surprised me was the daughterboard ribbon cable is being held in by 2 hot glue gun dots. I ended up swapping the stock switches for some TTC golds, and after this is when I ran into problems. I don't have any footage of when I had problems with it, but when you turn on the power switch, it should be flashing green like that. That just means the receiver's not plugged in, but wireless mode is still activated, everything's good to go. Before this, the LED was flashing bright red and yellow. After that, the LED turned off and my computer would not register the mouse at all. Once I plugged it in, the LED would turn green and the mouse registered again. So what I did was a lot of guessing and checking. There's an actual debug, I'll call it panel for lack of a better word, as shown right here. Still not 100% sure how I fixed it, but I stuck tweezers in between pinholes, I believe 1 and 3, which is the 2 bottom leftmost pinholes. That turned off the LED, and once I disconnected the tweezers from the pinholes, the LED stopped flashing red and yellow and started flashing green again. So then I plugged in the receiver and the mouse started working just like normal. There's no guarantee that you're going to run into those problems. Those are just the problems I ran into. If you do run into those problems and my solution does work for you or it doesn't, please let me know in the comments below. Anyway, good luck if you're going to mod this mouse, and thanks for watching.